Q17A, right, to simplify the following, leaving the answer in positive index form. Right, so what we want to do is, again, we look at the power 1 over 3, we can distribute them into each of the following terms. The idea is that we want to, if we need to be able to combine the A terms, right, as well as the B terms, we first have to remove the bracket in order for them to come together, right? So the law that I'm using here is that, if I have AB to the power of m, this is the same as a power m, b power m, suggesting that the m can be distributed into each of the terms. So on my left hand side, I have a power -2 and b power 3, each being distributed with the 1 over 3 on the outside. Over here, a power 4, b power -5, each distributed with 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Alright, so from here, a power -2, a power 4 comes together. A power -2, this will give me a to the power -2 over 3 multiplied, and this 4 times half, this will give me a to the power 4 times half will be 2. On the right, b power 3 and 1/3, b power -5, this gives me b to the power 3 times 1/3, which is 1. This is b power 1. This will give me b to the power -5 over 2. Okay, b to the power -5 over 2. Here, because the law that I use is that a power m bracket n is the same as a power m times n. Okay, so then again, now from this part, I use this law. The law that I use is that when we have a power m times a power n, this is a power m plus n. Alright, again, this is called the product law of indices. Okay, this is called the product law. I will be using the same law as well, right, for both. So this gives me a to the power of -2/3 plus 2. This gives me b to the power of 1 -5 over 2. Now, if I combine this together, my final answer will be equals to, let me see, a to the power of 4 over 3 and b to the power -3 over 2. Now, since the question requires that we have the answer in positive index form, I'll write it as a to the power 4 over 3 over b to the power 3 over 2. Right? So pushing this to the denominator, you realize how the numerator becomes the denominator here, simply because I'm using the law that a power -n is the same as 1 over a power n. Okay?